Well, darn. Why, hello there. And that sign says it all. No trespassing. Whoa. Don't know what that was. Sounded angry. It's okay though. We're here for a filming location, American Horror Story Freak Show. Right here. This is the field that the freak show happened. It's actually a little bit further, but this is the field. Now, I did want to walk around a little bit. The no trespassing has put a little hindrance on that plan, but it's okay, because honestly, it's an empty field. We weren't going to be able to see anything anyway. What we really wanted to do by coming here, we're going to take the HKP, we're going to fly it up, we're going to get a couple aerial shots, because then we will actually be able to compare and look at what was there, where the tent was, the circus tent. This field right here, we had Sarah Paulson, Evan Peters, Emma Roberts, all the regular American Horror Stories characters. Well, actors, characters, no, because Anthology, they're not the same character throughout, just the same actor and actress. But yes, all in this field right here. This is a West Wago, Louisiana address. Let's get a look from the sky. Aircraft in warning zone. Great success! And that's gonna do it for this American Horror Story Freak Show filming location. They filmed all around the area here. There's plenty other spots if you want to check them out yourself. The field, if you have a drone, it's worth a view. If you don't have a drone, this is about what you can see right here. But that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe to the channel. We do lots of filming locations, theme park videos, and random things from time to time. Airplane. Shh, I'm trying to talk here. So inconsiderate. Until next time, be good, have fun, and learn something.